The chapter is Arithmetic Progressions for Standard 10. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of its sixth and 10th terms is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. So, sum of fourth and eighth terms of an AP. So, that means A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. So, that means A4 is A plus 3D plus A8, you can write it as A plus 7D, that is n minus 1, 8 minus 1, so 7D, that is equal to 24. So from this you get 2A plus 10D, you get 2A plus 10D is equal to 24, from which you get A plus 5D equal to 12. Now this is equation number 1. Now we have sum of its 6th and 10th terms. Similarly, we will write A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Again, we will write the similar way. A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. That is 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. From which you get A plus 7D is equal to 22. Now you have two equations and two unknowns. So we will subtract 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So A plus 7D equal to 22. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Subtracting, you get 7 minus 5 is 2D is equal to 10. From which you get D is equal to 5. Now you have to find the first three terms of the AP. Now we got D. Now we have to find A. So you substitute D. Substituting D equal to 5 in 1, equation 1, you get A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. 5D. D is 5. So from which you get A is equal to 12 minus 25, that is equal to minus, A is equal to minus 13. Now we have to find the first three terms of the AP. So the AP will be starting with, the first term is minus 13. Then the second term will be minus 13 plus 5. So that is minus 8. Then plus 5 again, that will be minus 3. Is 100 and minus 150 a term of the AP? So we have to see whether minus 150 is a term in this AP. So let us assume this is a term. So AN is equal to minus 150. So we will find out what is n in this. Now we will write A is equal to 11 and D is equal to 8 minus 11 is minus 3. Now AN is equal to A plus, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we write down as 150 is minus 150 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3. So we get minus 150 is equal to 11 minus 3n plus 3. So this will become 14. So bringing it to this side, minus 14. So this will become 164. Minus 164 is equal to minus 3n. So n is equal to 164 by 3. So you get 54, 2 by 3. Yeah, so n is equal to 54, you get a fraction. So n is a term, number. So it cannot be a fraction. Therefore, 150 minus 150 is not a term of the AP. So we'll write down as number of terms cannot be a fraction. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of the AP. Which term of the AP is its first negative term? So here in these type of problems, if you observe, you will see that the number is decreasing. Only then you get a negative term. If the number is a increasing AP, then you will not get a negative term. So now we have to see which term will be the first negative term. So that means an has to be negative. Has to be negative. So we have to find the n in this. So first we'll write a is equal to, what is given? A is equal to 121. D is equal to minus 4. We'll find an is equal to, so an has to be negative. That means an is less than 0. So an less than 0, that means an is a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 121 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 is less than 0. So simplifying this, you get 121 plus minus 4n plus 4 is less than 0. So 125 plus minus 4n is less than 0. You get 125 is less than 4n. It means n is greater than 125 by 4. That is equal to 31 1 by 4. Yeah. So n has to be greater than 31 1 by 4. That means n is equal to 32. So the first negative term will be A32 will be the first negative term. The fourth term of an AP is 11. The sum of the fifth and seventh terms of this AP is 34. Find its common difference. So A4 is equal to 11. First we will write down what has been given. The sum of the fifth and seventh term. So A5 plus A7 is equal to 34. Now you have to find D. Now we will write this as A plus 3D is equal to 11. Now this we will write it as A plus 4D plus A plus 6D is equal to 34. So this you will get it as 2A plus 10D is equal to 34. So A plus 5D is equal to 17. This is 1 and this is 2. Now again you have two equations and two unknowns. So we will subtract 2 minus 1. So A plus 5D equal to 17 minus A plus 3D equal to 11. You get 2D is equal to 6. So D is equal to 3. So you have to find the common difference. So D is equal to 3.